Hey everyone, Spencer here, and today I've got this really unique product that I found and I wanted to show you it and unbox it with you. We're opening it just right here in the front office of our warehouse. We're gonna open it up and test it out. I'm not personally a big fan of the brand Symphonic, so to be quite honest with you, I'll be a little bit surprised if this thing actually works. It looks like it's never been opened. Looks like it's still factory sealed. The original tape is on there. I'm thinking it's never been out of the box, but let's go ahead and open it up and find out. Alright, it's telling us to stop, so let's stop, read what it's telling us. This must be really important. Do not return this product to the store before reading the manual. Okay, so make sure you read the manual before trying to return it. And then if you need help, you can call that number. I wouldn't count on that number still being in service, but let's go ahead and set that aside. That looks like our manual and our remote control. So we'll put that over there. Then we can put the antenna on the side. It's kind of cool that it's got the antenna. Alright, so I'll go ahead and finish getting it out of the box and we'll demo it real quick. Alright, now this thing looks legit, okay? It's actually really cool opening this because it's kind of like going back in time, as if I just went to Walmart, picked this thing up, and now I'm unboxing it. It's all brand new, not a scratch on it. Let's go ahead and plug in the power cord and throw a VHS in and see what she does. The cord is even tucked away in a little socket, which is kind of interesting. Alright, now that this baby's all plugged in, let's go ahead and see what she does. It's got that beautiful high-pitched noise that these tube TVs make. It's pretty great. Some people can't hear it though because it's a higher frequency. Alright, let's go ahead and grab a tape. What do we want to watch? Let's watch Annie. Alright, looks like the last person didn't rewind it. So now we get to test the rewind function.
The sun will come out tomorrow. Set your bottom dollar.
Well, it looks like it's working perfectly. Let's go ahead and check out the remote control too. Took out the remote and put some fresh batteries in it. I didn't use the original ones. I left those ones in the package still. But it looks like the remote is working perfectly as well. You can turn on and off the display. You can control the volume. You can, of course, eject the tape, and then you can power it off as well. So we do this with all of our new items because occasionally we'll get a new item and it won't work for whatever reason. We want to go through it and make sure it works. So this one is 100% functional. We're going to throw it up on our website. It might seem like a pretty expensive price on there, but this is probably going to be your last opportunity to get one of these. You can check it out at SpenCertified.com, or you can use the link in the description. You can also give us a call if you'd like. Our phone number is 480-207-1511, and we can answer any questions you have. Thanks a lot for watching.